Okay, we've got that breaking news coming in now. We've got breaking news coming in that the lockdown in other parts of the world still remains in place, though some curbs have been eased. Okay, coming up, that's the story coming up right now. For that viewer, we've got this breaking news coming in now. Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister of West Bengal, says the lockdown will continue in West Bengal as well. She's also slammed the centre for the second time in 24 hours and says every time we meet the Prime Minister, we expect something but always return disappointed. The centre still owes us 52,000 crore rupees. Mamata Banerjee yesterday had accused the Prime Minister directly during a video conference call of playing politics with the state of West Bengal. And today, ahead of the Prime Minister's speech, Mamata Banerjee has taken a direct second pot shot at the Prime Minister, saying, whenever we meet the Prime Minister, we always return disappointed. I want to go across to India today's Manogya Loiwal. Manogya, just a little over 2 hours to go for the Prime Minister to speak tonight. Mamata Banerjee raising temperatures after her first big attack yesterday.
Yes, exactly, and also intensifying the battle between the Chief Minister and the Prime Minister that has been there. If she was vocal yesterday, she's raised the decibel today. And of course, very categorically stating that whenever they have approached the Prime Minister, they've been disappointed in some way or the other. So of course, what you expect from Prime Minister to speak today, you also know on what lines would be the responses from TMC Supremo and Chief Minister of West Bengal. Precisely, even the reiteration of the fact on how much dues are there on the centre, which hasn't been released for the state and the state coffers, itself speaks volumes about the distances that have just increased. She did not leave a single word mentioning on the attack mode that she was on the communal violence or the several aspects that have been there in the state. So not just a political attack, but also an administrative offensive that she was on today.
Okay, thanks very much for getting us the very latest on this. Mamata Banerjee attacking the Prime Minister for the second time in 24 hours. Poulomi, want to get a word from you in on this as well. Mamata Banerjee, yesterday accusing the Prime Minister of playing politics, leaking communications with the state, with the media first, and today, setting the mood once again before the Prime Minister's speech.
That's right. The West Bengal government and the centre and the BJP on the one hand have been at complete loggerheads during this entire pandemic crisis and the lockdown scenario. They've been trading charges. They've been constantly, pointing fingers at each other. Mamata Banerjee made no bones about expressing herself and her anguish with her dealings with the centre yesterday in that video conference with the Prime Minister. She said that, you can completely avoid the politics. Why don't you respect the federal structure? Why is it that, the Home Minister writes to me and the letter is first out in the media, and only then do I get an opportunity to see that letter? And what is it about, pointing fingers via the media? Why couldn't he call me and tell me what his grievances were? Then, of course, saying that bureaucrats are being kept busy because of video conferences that constantly happen with the centre. When should they work if they are constantly busy with video conferences? So she, of course, was pointing fingers at the centre, obviously has been constantly saying that where are our GST dues? Where is the money that the centre owes us? Without that money, how are we supposed to ramp up the health infrastructure in the state, which is obviously grappling with a lot of numbers in terms of testing numbers that finally West Bengal is putting out and has said that it has in fact ramped up testing. But how are we supposed to prepare for the migrant labourers who are coming back to the state in terms of testing them, in terms of quarantining them, if we do not have the funds and the resources?
It's very interesting. Federal friction being escalated courtesy Mamata Banerjee. It's only to be expected. One wonders if the Prime Minister will have something oblique to say about Mamata Banerjee. He's taken her head on many times before, but this is not an election speech. This is an address to the nation. So let's see how that goes. Many states have spoken about the federal relationship as far as command and control is concerned. Many states are saying we will follow Prime Minister Modi's lead. Clearly, Mamata Banerjee is not one among them.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.